Olivia.
Can I do the video?
It's videoing.
You're already videoing. Okay, yeah, I see that. Okay. Alright, so here we are. I am actually taking the first taste I have ever had of a Pawpaw.
Yum.
Okay, can you get that in the film there?
There you go.
You see that? There's kind of the nice orangey flesh.
Num.
It smells really good. It smells a lot like a pineapple.
Num. Num num.
I wonder if it smells like a pineapple and tastes like banana.
It's very interesting.
He thinks it's interesting.
It does taste like it smells.
Like a pineapple?
So it's basically a pineapple?
I bet it varies on how ripe it is, how it tastes.
The texture's a little different.
We got 6 people who gotta eat this.
Don't
Mary,
take too many
Olivia.
bites.
Quit moving the camera.
Okay.
Okay, I'll start spreading out some samples.
Sam, stop! He's
It's good.
tickling
It's a
me.
little different.
Stop.
You know, when you're videoing, you're not supposed to sit here and argue with each other.
Well, he's tickling me.
It kind of takes away the effect, especially if I post this on YouTube, but then everybody can get kind of the real life effect, right? All right, so Marion, there's your spoon. See what you think.
Hi.
Sam.
Post it on YouTube.
It tastes like pineapple.
No, don't put it on YouTube. You're putting Ella in the video.
Sam, have a bite.
Aww.
You got to.
What do I got?
You'll like
What do you
it,
think,
Sam.
guys?
I think it's good. Interesting.
Kind of cantaloupe-like in texture.
Yeah, kinda. It's mushier than a cantaloupe, though.
Well,
Who's left? Olivia.
Me.
Who's behind the camera?
Olivia's behind the camera.
All right.
What is it, Papa?
All right.
Do you want to eat it?
Olivia,
Oh.
look at me.
That's
All right. Here's Olivia's bite coming in. Woo.
It tastes a whole lot more like banana than it smells.
You think so?
Yeah.
It has the texture of banana, a little taste of banana, but it mostly tastes like pineapple.
It's a little different.
And it's a little tart.
It's got a little after something on it. Are y'all still taking the video?
Yeah.
Well, you're like showing
You're
people
showing
the
the
pizza
stove,
stone.
Okay.
It's kind of got a like an after something to it.
Well, keep in
Like
mind
a
that
little
this was
aftertaste.
picked before it was actually ripe, so the real flavor of this might be a little bit better. As the cat races forward.
Interesting.
So what do you think, Olivia?
It was good.
It was good. Grace?
Interesting flavor, but not bad.
Okay.
I don't really love bananas, so it may be better than a banana.
Ella?
What do you think?
No opinion. Reserve judgment. Sam, do you want another taste?
Should Ella get a little taste?
Should we give Ella a taste?
All right.
Ella's first bite of Pawpaws.
I know.
It's new.
What do you think, Elle?
Do you want more?
No.
Oh, yep.
She wants more.
Do you like it?
No.
Well. I think the consensus is it's good, but we're not 100% sure about it yet. So, but it's a cool
It has
plant.
an interesting
So,
flavor.
Bye.
and I guess with that, we are signing off here. Thanks for watching.
Wait. Did you press it yet?
No, I'm still filming.
Okay. Follow me.